Hey everyone, today we're jumping into Seedworld, a gaming metaverse where you can create, play, and earn. Let's see how you can make your mark on this blockchain enhanced world. So grab a snack or a drink and let's get to it. All right, let's jump into Seedworld. Seedworld is a multi-gaming metaverse designed to empower players by blending user-generated content, UGC, with blockchain technology. It offers a platform where players can create, control, and monetize their game experiences within an expansive open world environment. At the core of Seedworld is a sophisticated UGC engine that allows players to construct detailed 3D worlds and games without needing coding skills, similar to the creative freedom seen in platforms like Minecraft, but enhanced with blockchain capabilities. The economic backbone of Seedworld is SWORLD token, which facilitates various in-game transactions and activities. Players can engage in complex economic activities such as trading, crafting, and resource management that intertwines with the real-time gameplay. Moreover, the platform includes strategic NFT components like Seed Roots and Seedworld Vanguards, which integrate into the game's economy through mechanisms like staking, providing players not only gameplay advantages but also financial incentives. Seedworld's gameplay is rich and diverse, featuring various modes such as Beyond The Keep, a survival shooting game that combines resource management and strategic defense elements in a competitive setting. Players can also engage in quests and adventures within the game's open world, gathering resources and crafting essential items for survival and progression. The platform is also designed with community and collaboration in mind, providing extensive tools through their creator mode, which supports players in designing and building their unique games and experiences. This mode is supported by an asset marketplace and robust development tools that help streamline the creative process. Seedworld's approach to market targets both Web 2 and Web 3 audiences, with tailored strategies to maximize engagement and growth. For the Web3 audience, the focus is on building a strong community that supports the ecosystem's digital economy, while the Web2 strategy aligns with traditional gaming launches, emphasizing media engagement and community building. And that's a wrap on Seedworld. So if you're ready to build and play in your own virtual world, dive deeper by visiting their website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for awesome gaming content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.